Hey everyone, welcome to my channel tutorial lore. Today, I am going to teach you how to stake Jupiter on Phantom Wallet. So be sure you stay throughout the whole video so you don't miss any steps. Hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel tutorial lore. Let's go for how to stake Jupiter on Phantom Wallet. First, you have to open your Phantom extension or application, and then go to the Browse option and search Jupiter, and click on the token. After that, click on More. If you see Stake option, then you can stake it from here. And if doesn't work, so first you have to go to the Google, and then search Jupiter token, and then click on the official link of jupiterjup.ag. After that, you will see Connect Wallet option at the right side. You have to click on it, and then find Phantom and click on it. After that, you have to connect it. After connecting, you just have to stake it. So this all in today's video. Hope you must have understood that how to stake Jupiter. On Phantom Wallet, there is no easier way than this. If you still don't understand anything, then you can comment. I will definitely reply to you or make a video on your topic. Hit the like button and press the subscribe, drop a comment. It motivates us to create more tutorial videos for you. Thank you.